I am happy to be with you through this video message. The technology has allowed us to reach anywhere by video conferencing or video message. In a video conference, you can also talk to me. In video message, still it's a one-way communication. But the issue today of the TAIR and MIT SOM is an important issue. You are discussing about water, climate and sustainable energy. These are the issue of life now and to certain extent death also. Earlier, before pre-industrial revolution period, it was very easy because human exhales carbon dioxide by taking oxygen and the plants take carbon dioxide value and emit oxygen. There used to be a perfect synthesis. But as the industrial revolution happened, our coal-based carbon emission increased and it remains in atmosphere for hundreds of years. That has created the global warming. There were ozone depleting substances also. Therefore, we got ozone depletion at many places and there were holes in the ozone layer. The world surmounted it with successful Montreal Protocol implementation, phasing out all ozone depleting substances. Now we are into HFC and HCFC, which have global warming potential, more dangerous level, and therefore they have to be also phased out. We must act clean. If somebody asks me what is the mission of the country, today our mission has to be clean air, clean water, clean energy, clean environment and more green. These are the 5 principles, bedrock principle on which we can go ahead and achieve the target of sustainable development. When Obama visited, one journalist asked Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, that is there any pressure from US or any country about reaching out on climate and putting a ceiling on your emissions or something like that? He said there is no pressure and we are not in habit of taking any pressure. But he also said that yes, there is a pressure of climate change and pressure of future generations. Because we enjoyed the earth, our children and grandchildren and their children and their grandchildren also need to enjoy the earth and the atmosphere the same way as we have enjoyed. Therefore, we need to act today to give them a better earth tomorrow. And to that end, we need to do small things. Water conservation, energy conservation. The government is already walking clean energy path, ambitious target, upscale target from 20,000 megawatts of solar energy to 100,000 megawatts of solar energy. It's a huge thing. It means $100 billion of investment, 145 million tons of carbon emissions saved per annum. We are also targeting 60,000 megawatts of wind energy, 5,000 megawatts of hydro energy and also large amount of offshore also possibilities we are exploring, and we'll have a huge program of nuclear energy also. All this put together, we want to make progress in the climate change direction in 2 ways. We will have 15% of the energy mix through renewables and we'll have 25% of energy efficiency achieved across sectors. Even home lighting, we need to replace the old street lights. It's a revolution happening all over. I went to Jaipur and I saw that all the street lights, 70,000 of them, have already been changed by LED lamps, and there is no cost to the corporation because the saved energy bill takes care of the EMI, and the bulbs last for more than 50,000 hours. So it's a huge thing happening all over again. We will walk energy efficiency path in each sector. We need to, as students, as participants, as youth, we need to take pledge that we will walk the green path as possible as in our daily lives. If we do that, we can win this battle of climate change. There are doomsayers who said that in 2012 the world will doom. It never doomed. But yes, there are impacts. We need to save the earth. We need to act clean. And if we take pledge, our Indian ethos, Indian lifestyle is all about pro-environment. We can achieve both growth and environment protection simultaneously if we change little bit in our modern lifestyle. We need to do that. That's our common mission. That's the vision with which we are going ahead. All the best for deliberations, and please send me the gist of your recommendations after the deliberations. All the best for your deliberations.